Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the three-way valve, the one that is located right here. We also replaced the O-rings of the steam boiler, the one that's located right here, and the brew boiler, the one that is located right here. We also adjusted a bit the grinder, and we also deep cleaned part of the burst, part of the machine, part of the steamer one as well. And yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. With 8 seconds of pre-infusion, we're going to be brewing a double shot. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out from the spouts. Excellent color as well. Great flow. "30-second shot and 2 ounces of liquid. Excellent espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Hot water, as you can see, we have a nice steady stream coming out from the water tap. And steam with nice pressure coming out from the steamer one, and an auto shut off function as well. So there you have it, Breville Oracle Touch working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.